What's up, Breeze Heat family? We are back with a remake of the hibachi video from 2 years ago. This is going to be better quality. We got some extra tips in here and some different flavor profiles because it's been 2 years and there's some things that I've learned. So if you are here, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and share this with one person that you would like to share this meal with. As always, everything will be listed below in the description as far as the ingredients, measurements, and stuff like that. So I started by just prepping my veggies. Hey y'all, I feel like y'all literally have probably never seen my face. So hey y'all, it's me, Bree from Breeze Heat. I just want to say what's up. I'm probably going to start doing some angles this way just to get more comfortable in front of the camera. So I started with a whole zucchini. I am a zucchini lover, so yes, I did a whole one. This is just going to be for me and my boyfriend, as well as my father-in-law. So I chopped up some mushrooms. If you don't like mushrooms or you don't like something, you know, sub it for whatever you need. I took my onion and I say like a quarter of it I sliced, and then three-quarters of it I sliced, and then the other quarter of it I just went ahead and diced up real good like that. So I'm going to use the sliced ones for the veggie portion, and I'm going to be using the diced ones for my fried rice. Chop up your steak into some nice even cubes. If you want to cut the fat off of some of the pieces prior to, do your thing. I have New York strip steaks, but we do have dogs, so I just cook it and then feed that to the dogs. Or sometimes I eat it. My boyfriend don't like it. But this is what I'm seasoning my steak with: garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. I try to stick to a basic seasoning because I feel like that's what they do at the hibachi restaurants, and that stuff still be so good because they be adding like the teriyaki, the soy, the butter. Y'all, I love hibachi if you can't tell. So this is my process. I drizzle a little bit of oil on there and I mix it around and let it sit while I continue to prep everything else, and got started on my fried rice. So I'm about to give y'all a little secret. Somebody from Benihana's used to work there, and they released this secret. They put some soy sauce, some garlic. You can chop up some garlic, but I just did roasted garlic paste because this is what I had at home. You can get this, or you can chop up 2 cloves of garlic, add it in there as well with your soy sauce into a small bowl with some softened butter. You're going to smash that down, and that's what they butter be made out of, y'all. So they don't got just regular butter. When they be in there mixing and dicing and throwing the butter in, it's not regular butter. I know it looks like regular butter, but baby, this butter is going to take it to the next level. We're going to get started with our fried rice. Look at my wok. I got this from Hexclad, y'all. They sent it to me. Shout out to Hexclad. Love y'all. If you can get you a Hexclad, go ahead and get you one. They got a lifetime warranty, and tell them Bree sent you. All right. Anyway, I diced up those onions and I threw them in there with the sesame oil. Sesame oil is what's going to give it that taste of hibachi. I also added in some green onions, 1 whole green onion in there, and then I did my frozen peas and carrots. And we're just gonna, let this kind of cook down for about 2 to 3 minutes before we add in our rice. I do like to season all portions of it because I feel like that's what they be doing too. They be hitting it with a little shake, shake, shake thing. So I'm gonna get over here and make these seasonings shake, Salt, pepper, basic seasonings, like I said again, because we want the flavor profiles of everything else to stand out, baby. That soy sauce is going to be so good. So here you go. Some pepper. Season it until your soul say stop. Sometimes they be like, stop. So yeah, just do like that. Or you can kind of shake it and gauge how long. I did that. I don't really have the measurements on that one. But yeah, salt and pepper. Yes, I am using... Okay, you can use day-old rice. Or if you ain't got no day-old rice, you can go to the nearest Chinese food restaurant and get a big order of white rice. You can go to Panda Express. Anything that sells white rice, you can go there and just ask them for a large side of white rice. The people that do the fried rice, like the Chinese restaurants, Asian restaurants, they have white rice, and that's the same rice that they are frying with. So if you don't want to do it the day before, you want to make this recipe today, go ahead and do that. That's going to be my little trick for y'all. So like I said, if you do have day-old rice is key. Or you can go to your nearest Asian styled restaurant and get you some of that as well. I would say this is about 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Keep it on hand on the side in case you want your soy sauce a little bit darker. This is only going to do so much. If you want your soy sauce to look like the Chinese food restaurants, and I'm not talking about the ones that be yellow. I'm not talking about them. If you want your rice to look dark, you know how we normally eat it, you need to get you some dark soy sauce. You can go to your nearest Asian supermarket, or you can order it online from Amazon if you don't have one near you. And that is another tip and trick. I'll be dropping kind of, I guess, a St. Louis inspired fried rice pretty soon, because they fried rice is pretty good. I didn't believe the hype at first, but now I do. Like, look at this. Look at the smoke coming off of that. Look at how, first of all, hex clads are non-stick. That's my favorite part. And it's beautiful. The rice is beautiful. Next, we're going to add in our egg, mix it around. My boyfriend wanted a part of the cameo I see. Once that's done, yes, this is me getting some extra text messages through. We all text. It's okay. Look at the close-up. Yeah, y'all. This fried rice is about to take it to the next level, baby. Like, when I say the fried rice is going to be fried and ricing, the rice is going to be fried and ricing. I use my griddle for hibachi just because I feel like it gives me the most authentic feel for hibachi. And I can cook everything all at once, y'all. I will have this linked in my Amazon storefront because I like this one specifically because it has a warming tray at the bottom. And, you know, some things cook faster than others, and you can just put it in the bottom and it'll warm. And it also is very, very nonstick, and it has very well, I guess, like, heat to it, you know. I don't know, it holds heat very well, kind of similar to a pan. Some of the griddles that I've used before, they don't really hold heat that well. But next I'm going to get started with my steak. I just poured it on there, gave it 2-3 minutes on each side with a nice cook, and then I added some teriyaki glaze to it. I would say probably like 3 tablespoons of teriyaki, you know, season with your heart. And also, I did the same thing to my shrimp. So once my steak was flipped over, I added my shrimp because shrimp are only going to take about max 4 to 5 minutes to cook. And I also added the butter as well as the teriyaki sauce to all of this. My camera does cut out, so don't be mad at me, but this is what the finished product looks like. Like I said, 2 to 3 minutes on that shrimp, 2 minutes on each side. You'll be perfectly fine with some teriyaki. Just do everything, add your butter in there like you did for your veggies, your steak, and your rice, and baby, you have hibachi at home. Like, the fried rice is rice, and the steak is steak, and the shrimp is shrimp, and the veggies is veggies. Subscribe.